Hello, hello. We've had some network issues yesterday, and my stream got cut up into three different VODs, which is not very fun. Um, I hope the same thing won't happen today. I did do a speed test, and I'll be running this on this new scene for a moment to see if everything stabilizes. I'm immensely tired today, so don't expect any miracles. I did attempt to fix the bug we had with our script. Apparently always saying that everything is correct. My theory is that it should be working now. Double check the session token, double check that I could successfully submit an answer to the test account. And I have everything set up and working now. Fingers crossed. I set up my aliases, I tested all of them, so everything is a bit more validated today. We got about 6 minutes here before we can start. Um, See, now we're dropping packets again. I think, I don't know. I think it should be good enough. There's not really much else I can do. Yeah, we are definitely dropping. Man, this is a bummer. What can I do? I'm not sure. Hmm. Maybe it's just my connection to the Wi-Fi being extremely bad. Let's try it like this. Let's watch my ping to Google. Um, if it's stable. I don't really know how to fix this setup by the way. Back at home, my internet connection is extremely poor, unfortunately. Um, yeah, no, we're definitely dropping packets. I don't know what to do about it. I think I need to get a Wi-Fi repeater to have a better reception over here. It is pretty stable now. It's probably going to be enough for today's stream, and then I'll have to find a solution for after. Um, I mean, this entire setup is horrible anyway, so it's quite obviously not one of my priorities. Make sure it's a great. Hmm. Well, if it's stable now, I wonder if me moving it this way is actually going to improve things. Or yeah, it appears to be stable. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna get fully set up here. Okay. Internet is as stable as it's gonna get. That's what I'm comfortable with saying. Okay, we got about 2 minutes here. Um, Feel free to skip forward in the VOD. And always make sure to check out my social links in my bio, which are now fully linked to Twitter, GitHub, and the YouTube playlist of the VOD. The CLI, of course, is all open source and you can use it yourself. Um, if you want to debug why this stuff's not working while doing the challenges, I definitely recommend. Adds at least 100% more tension to the process. Okay, I'm planning on not using the terminal today at all and just use the internal terminal of VS Code if I can remember. And I think it's time to switch scenes. Here we go. I did try to get my clock in sync and I found out that it is actually true that my time will say 01 seconds past when this one says 0. So I will continue doing waiting for 12:00:01 to pass before I hit enter on the AOC end, which is the little the little alias I set for myself. Well, timer's running out and we're almost ready to give it a go. And I'm so tired. And go. Oh my. Perfectly. Okay. And all this, the directories with the total size of it. Wow. Okay, that's crazy. Oh God. This is gonna take ages. I don't think I'm gonna solve this tonight. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, guess we just return the lines. Um, and then for line in T, if line starts with dollar sign, then this is a command. Let's get the input here on the second line. If line, okay. Um, CD. Does it ever? Oh yeah, wow, it does. Path equals slash. If line starts with CD, new dir equals line split last. If new dir starts with slash, then the path is the new dir. This is absolute. Elif new dir equals a dot path equals path width up to the last one 0 from. And a split of type list string. Are you kidding me? Path is not a damn list. It's just a string, my guy. Stack. Okay. Um, else path plus equals slash plus new dir. Print. Okay. Let's see what happened. I don't like the fact that there's slash slash at the start. Uh, doesn't it start with a slash? And this is wrong. Okay. So I mean, I guess what I really want to do is to oh, if starts with slash slash. This is super ugly, but I will run with it. Okay. So I do have the full path now. The cd dot dot seems to be working. So after we go to the HD one, oh my god, we don't want Slack open. Let's do like 20 HD. Yeah, perfect. Okay, why is there now an empty string sometimes? Like, why is it sometimes going from this to an empty string? There's two. Okay. Um, if path slash no path equals empty string. Let's see. Yeah, this looks a lot better. Okay. Should be good. So now what we do is for every file, I guess we don't really need this one. We can unindent this by one. We also don't have to print the path. This works. If line starts with ls, line starts with dir continue, and otherwise num equals line split 0, and this isn't it. Sizes. Sizes. Path equals sizes get path 0. Uh, 3 path def 3 path result equals path while path greater than 1. This stuff. Return result. If I get this right, then tree of slash return slash and tree of A, B, C, D should return 4 different things. Well, I guess one of these should be. Let's see. Slash A. Yeah, amazing. Okay. Um, for deer in path, deer plus equals or key value in sizes items if value smaller than or smaller equal at most. S plus equals of. We don't need the key actually, and this is called S. Okay, see if this works. $sign. Well, what other commands do we have if it's not ls? Ah, I guess we. Okay, amazing. Part 2 complete. What does the puzzle say now? Part 2. Now you're ready to choose search which you lead. To update, you need to only space defender forgiveness. And the smallest directory that if delete would free up enough space. Process. Okay, so we have print sizes. Okay, and how much do we need? 3. Okay, so we have this minus this. target this. Um, ref equals this. Ref e no value ref list plus equals sort for key in ref list if creator equals target. And does this work? Yes, it does. Whew. Okay. Wow. I'm surprised I got this so fast. I really hope I got a score this time. 76! Yes! We're below 100. Oh my god. This is the first time I'm ever below 100. How do we get here? Okay. It is time to see if I'm still streaming this. Yes. Okay. That's a relief. Um, it is time to explain what the heck's going on. So I think the key insight today was the fact that you would simply add the size of every single file to every single parent directory. This way you can find out the size of any directory instantly by just linearly going through the list of files. So if you're in a 10 subfolder deep path and you have a super big file, it will add to the size, not just of the current directory, but to every single parent directory as well. So what I'm doing is, I mean, this is like path traversal. It's the most complicated thing. I'm finding wherever we want to go with the CD. We're figuring out, okay, is it a slash? Then it's absolute. This is 100% overkill because I'm 100% sure that, yeah, the CD slash is just the very first one. We can make this way less general um, by saying this and removing the first line. This is completely unnecessary. Um, and I think it will still, oops, give us the exact same answer. Yes, okay. So here now we simply check if we want to do a CD. And these two are the same. And we can make it a tiny bit shorter if we say elif and else. And indent this one a little bit. And then we can remove the continue. Line 0, not in dollar or e. Okay. This is even shorter. I'm just cleaning things up here a little bit. And here we can say plus equals 0 if slash. And make it shorter. Should still work. Exact same results. Perfect. I'm still really unsure why this is happening. Hmm. Maybe we can do empty string plus. No, this doesn't work. I'm not sure why this is so strange. Like, why does slash join and path not equal to slash maybe? No. Yes? Yes. Okay, okay. So the issue was that we can't go one higher if we're already in the root directory. Hmm. Wait, but now. Wait, no, this is actually still correct, right? I don't know, dude. What happens if we just print the path always? Does it still result in the empty string sometimes? Yeah, it's strange. I don't want to do this. This is wonky. Um, like this split by slash should still be. I guess the. I mean, I'm even doing it twice, right? Am I not doing the whole thing down here again in the tree? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, let's write a method for parent. Parent here of path to clean it up a little bit. Um, if path equals empty, returns slash. Cool. So now this should be much simpler. Parent here path. And we can do the same thing down here. Path is parent here path. And here, let's just do path not equal to hash. Okay, this is much cleaner. Um, I guess this we could also clean up a little bit. And we can say we do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? um, that's the same thing. It's tiny bit simpler. Um, reverse ticked and reverse. Where I guess we have sizes. Oh, ah, yeah, let's call it size. Yep, yep, yep. Okay. Do we ever need the reverse ticked? We do not need the Get out of here. Let's put these two one line. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'll tweet about it tomorrow. I'm extremely happy that I was able to get into the top 100. And I also figured out that my script just didn't run correctly because I had the input completely empty because the script crashed. So that's a relief as well. The whole debug, whatever, um, was simply because I wasn't sure what went wrong yesterday, but now I know. And yeah, it wasn't too complicated. Yeah, man, great day, great puzzle. very happy that I found the right approach right away, and I'll see you tomorrow.